What if you could generate stunning art videos without showing your face? We're exploring the future of faceless YouTube automation, and it's changing everything for creators. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding. Why? Because AI handles everything, from art generation to narration to editing. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E create visual assets in seconds. Text-to-speech AI generates professional voiceovers instantly. Automation platforms like Opus Clip stitch it all together. No camera equipment needed, no editing skills required. Pure creative freedom. AI-generated art isn't just eye candy, it's your competitive edge. Each video can feature unique, copyright-free visuals. You prompt, AI creates, viewers mesmerize, custom animations for every concept. Your artistic visuals mesmerize. One artist can produce professional content that would typically require entire teams. Here's the formula. Script your video. Generate AI art with detailed prompts matching your niche. Layer in royalty-free music and sound effects. Add AI narration. Use editing software to sync visuals with audio timing. Schedule uploads. The entire process, 2 to 3 hours for a polished 4-minute video. Scale to 3 videos weekly. Faceless channels hit monetization, foster less competition for watch time, focus purely on content quality and viewer retention. Art channels see 15-40% engagement rates. Once monetized, passive income follows. One creator would track scale time come follows. One creator would track skill to fifth income monthly. Within 6 monthly, ready to automate your creative journey? Subscribe for more art guides, hit like, and comment your biggest challenge creating YouTube videos below.